म्हाका एक खबर आसा की कोविड time was really a tough time, not only for GMC, but it was a tough time for the whole world and everybody suffered. In fact, आमचो जो first wave असलो, we managed it so well. And in fact, I was telling my doctors, we celebrated the victory prematurely, saying that COVID is gone now. But the second wave, which came with mutation of the virus, Delta virus, it was really horrible. Not only for Goa or India, it was horrible for all developed countries also. And this shortage of oxygen basically because this virus used to consume oxygen. Any patient who got a CT score of more than 12, they needed very heavy flow of oxygen to keep them alive. So never ever in the past there was a need for oxygen, such an oxygen in the state of Goa. I know we were using about 18 to 20 trolleys per day, and one trolley has got about 48 cylinders, and that one trolley we could use more than 1.5 hour for all ICUs, operation theaters in a routine setup of GMC. And to tell you frankly, in COVID, we were using 78 trolleys per day.